family. So, take a look at this. Isn't this cute? This is like a seed organizer. So, let me get to this, and you know what time it is right now. So, I got some seeds already that I got put away. I have some more seeds that put some in here. But some of these are actually empty. So what I'm going to do is sort through some seeds that I just got in, and some of the ones that I already have that are older seeds, and put them all inside of this. And then while I'm doing that, I'm going to select some seeds that I want to plant for coming up for the spring. Now, I was trying to see, my daughter actually bought this, so I don't know. Let's see. I can't really tell you. I mean, it's just she got it off the line. But I really don't know. I don't have the receipt or the information to tell you where I got it from. But it is a good idea. Just a good idea. But the main purpose of this video is to, just to shout out to all the gardeners out there. And, I know they're excited. We're all excited to get started with, our gardening for the spring. After all the winter is over. And this is just one good idea. I pretty much organized all my seeds that I had stored away, or they were all in different types of containers and bags and so forth. And I've taken this and I've put them all in here and filed them up. So now it's going to be easier for me to select what seeds I'm going to be planting for the spring. And this, just to share with you what I'm going to be planting, I'm going to be planting some hot peppers. So I got in here is different types of peppers that I've brought recently, as well as what I've had already. I'm going to plant some type of greens. I'm going to plant a herb garden mix, and these are all the herbs that are in here in packages. For example, let me show you. Okay, it's like a collection sort of, and it's all different ones in here. Oregano, dill, thyme. We got some basil. And it's just about 12 different types in here. Okay, so I know I'm going to be planting pretty much each and every one of these, because I have a area that I want to put those in. Hot peppers, collards. I'm going to plant some kale. And I always like to plant some cucumber with some tomatoes. Let me see. Let's see what I got here. So I just pretty much labeled everything just to figure out what I'm going to be planting. Let me see. Put that over there. I got flowers in here, so I want to put flowers. And just some more beans. I am going to plant some, I think, beans. Yeah, I want to plant some beans that are vine, on the vine, So I'm going to plant some of those. I'm going to plant, what I was actually looking for was, the tomatillo and tomato. So tomatillo and tomatoes, I want to plant those as well. And some greens. They could be microgreens as well as different types of greens. What I'm going to do, the next step that I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get my pots that I've already put some soil in, and get some of these seeds on the roll. Right this evening, I'm going to get these seeds on the roll, so they can start germinating. And soon as the spring is ready, which I'm not sure when that's going to be. I mean, and I'm also going to label them. And this is also like a nice little tool too, where you could put your seeds. Because some of the seeds that we're dealing with, they're really tiny or small seeds. And so, as to not, get them all, all of them fall in a hole out of the bag or out of my hand or whatever. You just got to be so fine, skilled with your fingers to get it. But this helps you, kind of eye needle it or whatever. You put this little top over here, and that way you only let out what you need to let out in what area you want to put it. Just kind of dial it till, one of these slots is open. But it's neat. It was cheap. It's not that expensive. But this is good so you can label and know what you're actually planted in some of these pots. So, and you'll know where, because I have places that I want to put these different seeds, and I don't want certain seeds growing with other ones. I definitely don't want to grow, like, say for instance, if I ordered, I always plant watermelon basically, and one thing I don't want to do is put watermelon and another type of melon together. For example, like cantaloupe. I did one time, and it was a disaster. So I don't want to plant any watermelon near another melon like that. So that's why I want to make sure I label my pots, my seedling pots, so I would know which, where I'm planting and what it is. So that's good. So that's why I got this ready. But until next time, I'll be back, and I'll show you what I've done, and all my pots are labeled. Thank you.